stay on bold. Pop and
What's up, guys? Welcome back to Jeenager TV. This is Tim Talk Bank. So today we're going to be talking about how to get instant loan with GTbank Quick Credit. So GTbank is a traditional financial institution. It is a commercial bank in Nigeria, and they have upped their game by giving customers access to getting quick loans, instant loans, no collateral loans on their platforms. So you guys, on this channel, we talk about fintech apps and we talk about fintech reviews and all of that. I think that because GTbank saw that all these small boys want to take markets from our hands and say, okay, let's get into the playing field. And that's great news for us, okay, with the customers. So anyhow, with the GTbank with quick credit facility, you could get up to 5 million as a salary earner and 1 million naira as a non-salary earner. Okay, and all you need to do is to use you could get it via their USSD code or through their app or the Habari app. Anyway, so you don't need a collateral, no collateral. It is instant, it is a quick loan, online loan, and it is fantastic. All right, so what are the things behind the GTbank quick credit system? Like they will say, let us hear from the horse's mouth. Let's go over to their website and see what they have to say about who qualifies for this loan. Whether you're a salary earner or self-employed, you can now get the cash you need instantly and pay back over 6 to 12 months. Quick credit gives you funds up to 5 million naira at an interest rate of 1.33% monthly. No hidden charges. What's in it for you? So you can get up to 500,000 to 5 million. Convenient repayment plan spread over 6 to 12 months at an interest rate of 1.33% per month. So how do you apply? So you can request for quick credit instantly by dialing *737 *51 *51 #. Quick credit is available on all GTbank online and mobile banking platforms, internet banking, GT World, GTbank mobile app, and Habari app. So these are the FAQs. So let us look at the FAQs. So they say, what is quick credit? Quick credit is a time loan accessible to salary and non-salary account holders. So if you do not have an account with GTbank, that means you are not eligible to access this facility. So you need to have an account with GTbank in order to access the quick credit time loan. So what is the minimum loan amount? The minimum loan amount that you can get is 10,000 naira. Now that's what they put on their website. What is the maximum loan amount? 5 million naira for salary earners and 500,000 for non-salary earners. So for what it means by non-salary earners is if you are not employed, if you are not in paid employment, you are probably self-employed and all of that, then you can access up to 500,000 naira. But if you are a salary earner, you can access up to 5 million naira. What is the maximum tenure for quick credit? 6 to 12 months. By tenure, what they are saying is that what is the time limit in which you can repay back your loan. So the time limit, the time frame, I meant to say time frame. What is the time frame in which you can pay back your loan, your quick credit loan? You'll be able to pay back your quick credit loan between 6 to 12 months. So in that period, you should have paid off your loan. What interest rate will I be paying if I use or apply for quick credit? So it is 1.33% per month on the on the outstanding amount that you are owing. What are the other fees to be paid on quick credit? According to them, no hidden charges, no management fee. How can I access the quick credit loan? USSD, internet banking, mobile banking app. Is there a minimum and maximum age for eligibility? Yes. Applicants must not be less than 18 years at loan application date and should not be older than 59 years at loan maturity date. Let me give you guys like a background to why I believe that this is put in place. So if you are less than 18 years, you are not an adult in the eye of the Nigerian law, because in other countries they have other age limits, other age grades. And at 59 years, it is or above 60, it is assumed that you would have retired from employment, and so it means that you do not have a stable income and you may not be able to meet your loan obligations. So you have to be 18 years old to be able to apply for this loan, and you should not be older than 59 years after the time of the loan maturity. Okay. So number 9 question is, what if I have an existing loan with other banks on remitter platform? Can I still apply for quick credit? Yes, you can. Okay, that's nice. How long does it take to access quick credit? Quick credit will be availed immediately after a successful application. What is the criteria to access the loan? Now, this is important. Customer must maintain a minimum monthly lodgement of 20,000 naira or earn a net monthly salary of 10,000 naira. Customer must not have any history of dodge checks. Customer must have satisfactory credit report. If you have not watched my video on how to get a high credit report, please check it out. And customer must not have any unpaid obligation. So basically, in order for you to, it's not that you just wake up and say you want to access the quick credit facility. You have to meet their criteria, and one of the criteria is that you should have a monthly, that by lodgement, it means that you should be putting 20,000, there should be 20,000 naira balance in your account on a monthly basis, or you earn a minimum net monthly salary of 10,000 naira. That is what one of the criteria for you to access this facility. 2, you should not have any history of dodge check. By dodge check, what they mean by dodge check is that you should not have any issue of a check that bounced. You guys know what it is when they say, my check bounced to You shouldn't have any of such history. Then you should have a satisfactory credit report. If you've been watching my content on YouTube, I have different videos on how to have a satisfactory credit report in Nigeria. All right, and you should not have any unpaid obligations. All right, don't be an unigbese. I hope it is clear enough. So let us look at the terms and conditions, because people don't like to look at this part, and I think we will be good for this video. So terms and conditions. This is the legal part. This is the part that I love. So it says that the borrower shall repay the principal and interest in 6 to 12 months. So let me explain, guys. Principal refers to the particular amount that you have taken out. So if you applied for a loan of 100,000 naira, your principal is 100,000 naira. Then the interest is the interest on that loan. So you need to have repaid your both principal and interest in 6 to 12 months, equal monthly installments. No story, no the word is falling down. That's why they don't want to hear that one. 2, the borrower hereby authorizes the bank to debit his or her salary account for the monthly loan obligation, or authorize the payroll service provider to deduct the monthly loan obligation comprising principal and interest prior to crediting his or her account with the bank. So basically what they are saying is that one of the terms is that they are going to get a letter of authority from you that your salary account will be debited. So they'll put a is it PND now, or what's that thing called? They are going to put something on your account anyway, like an instruction that pending when before money even drops on your account, because it is automated, they have already put that we are collecting our money. So as soon as money is jumping, bagam, the money is taken out. There's no story. They are not in business to come and listen to anybody's story. All right. 3. Reserved interest rate chargeable on the borrower's account shall be the bank's prime lending rate from time to time. So now, what does this mean? So the interest rates may not be fixed from this thing that they are telling you here, and it could change from time to time. So probably at the time, maybe when you borrowed, the interest rate was 1.33%. It is possible that it could be low, it could go lower, or it could go higher. So these are hidden terms here. Now, 4. Interest will be charged on all amounts owed by the borrower. So it's not the half and half or whatever. It is based on how much the total sum that you are owing. That is what the interest is. I'm explaining terms and conditions for you people. And we're going to pay me. 5th thing, in the event of restructuring, there's a facility restructuring fee of 0.5% of the outstanding amount shall be charged. So let's say you took 100,000 naira, okay? You have been able to pay back 60,000 naira, and you want to restructure the loan, right? Now, there's going to be a 0.5% fee on the outstanding amount of 40,000 naira. Do you understand? So the restructuring of your loan is not going to be free. Then there's a late repayment fee of 1% flat per month, approximately 12% per annum, over the approved lending rate shall be applied on the outstanding unpaid obligation without recourse to the borrower. So basically what they are saying is that if you do not pay your loan, if you don't make repayment on your loan as at when due, if you are supposed to be paying back on the 12th of every month, and you fail to pay back on the 12th of that month, whether coronavirus or no coronavirus, you are going to be billed a 1% flat fee, okay? And they will not come to you to tell you that, Mr. Alagbaja, we want to collect our 1%. No, they are going to collect our 1% without coming back to you. That's what it means by without recourse to the borrower. This Agbejoro is talking. Number 9, in the event of default by the borrower in making any repayment on due date, the outstanding principal amount and accrued interest shall be conclusive evidence that a sum is due and owing from the borrower. I think that's pretty much straightforward. I don't need to explain that. Number 8, in the event of default by the borrower under this facility, the bank reserves the right at its discretion to transfer the defaulting account to a third-party agency to recover any outstanding debt due to the bank. In addition, in the event of a loss of job leading to the default, the bank shall transfer the defaulting account to the designated insurance company to recover any outstanding debt paid on behalf of the borrower. So basically what they are telling you is that the bank has third-party agents that will carry out recovery, and you guys, you don't want bank recovery agents. They are not normal. Those people are not well. Let me just tell you beforehand, so that it's not like you say you don't know. You know when people say, bank, I have high blood pressure because of bank. It's because of these loan recovery people. You know, before bank, when you want to collect loan from bank, they'll make you feel good, they'll make you feel fine, they'll make you feel funky. My dear brother, try and not pay back their money. Then you will see that there are bills in this world. So they are saying that they would transfer your defaulting account to a third-party recovery agent, and in the event that probably you lost your job and all of that, then they will take you to an insurance company or the designated insurance company, because they've not included this now, but usually there's some insurance charges that you may have to pay, and they will recover their money from the insurance company. So number 9, the bank shall advise the borrower of any charge in prime lending rate, charges, fee, or any other terms and conditions of the loan by notice at its branches or by notes in customer statements. You see why you need to read your terms and conditions, because now they are telling you that if there's a change in the lending rate, charges, I thought they said there was no charges before, or fees, then they'll put it by notice. So anytime you go into your bank, always look for notice on the wall, so that you will not say that they did not tell me, or they told you inside the terms and conditions. I think 10, you guys, I need to stop here because you are not paying me legal fees. So go and read your terms and conditions by yourself. This is just a YouTube channel. It's not, you are not employing me to look at terms and conditions for you. But I think that you guys use because it's still like almost, this is why people don't like to read terms and conditions, because it's a lot of work. Then you not down. Then people will not say, what do lawyers do? This is what lawyers do. They will look at everything line by line, precept upon precept. Anyhow, I'm not holding brief for you, but I know that I've shared giving you some information. Okay, so yeah, let's move on, guys.
Okay, so just a little disclaimer, this video is actually for educational purposes, so you want to confirm with your lawyer, okay, or your financial advisor before you make any decision, right? Anyway, so thank you guys for watching. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.